I will talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Clash of Clans app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click on settings, so then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you click here on apps. Then you come to apps list here, and there you're looking for here Clash of Clans app, or just click on search. So that here at Clash of Clans app, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Click here on force stop. Then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage. Come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just restart your phone, install it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.